How to make character head follow cursor in Roblox Studio. Add local scripts to starter player scripts. Writing the script. This script makes the player's character smoothly turn their head and upper body to follow the mouse cursor in real time. Getting services, player, mouse, and character setup. Updating the character on respawn. This updates the character reference so the script keeps working. Limits how far the head can turn. Controls how fast the head moves toward the target. Stores the current rotation, not the target rotation. Runs once every rendered frame, perfect for mouse tracking and animation updates. Getting camera, character parts. Gets the 3D position where the mouse is pointing. Creates a unit direction vector from the head to the mouse. Converts the world direction into the character's local space. Calculating target yaw and pitch. Clamping rotation limits. Prevents the head from rotating beyond human limits. Gradually moves the current rotation toward the target. Detects R15 or R6 characters, so that mouse tracking can be used with both characters. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.